Great people, in our previous videos, we have done 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes. But now in this video, we are going to look at volume and surface area of three-dimensional shapes. Before we move into doing an example, I would like to highlight a number of shapes that are classified as three-dimensional shapes. The first one, if you can see my whiteboard properly, is a rectangular prism. Another one, right prisms. We also have cylinders. We have right pyramids. And now one of our interests in this video, one written in a different color, in green, is spheres. Of course, we have other 3D shapes. We shall be looking at them as we move on with our videos in Prepsaret YouTube channel. Continue following us. Let us go to an example. So the example, a sphere has a radius of 7.5 centimeters. To the nearest cubic centimeters, what is the volume of the shape? Then I have drawn for you that shape here. That is a sphere. It is a 3D or three-dimensional shape. And of course, the radius can be seen from the center of that sphere, which is 7.5. So the radius R is 7.5 centimeters. One thing is we need to understand the formula for looking for or calculating the volume of a sphere. So let us solve it, but as we start solving it, master this formula I'm going to give you. Solution: volume of a sphere is given by this formula. Volume is equals to 4 over 3 pi r cubic, where pi is a constant, and we said that constant we shall be using 3.14, and of course r is the radius, which we are going to use as 7.5 because we are given. So in the application of the formula, correct formula that is, we shall have 4 over 3 times pi 3.14 times radius 7.5 cubic, 7.5 power 3 or 7.5 cubic. This one, again, use your calculator properly and you will get 1766.25. But there was a condition. We have found that one as 1766.25 centimeters cubic, but there is a condition of rounding off this one to the nearest cubic centimeter. Again, check whether 0.25 is half a centimeter. It is not. When you look at these two, it is not 5, it is less than 5. So we assume all these parts and have the answer as 1766 centimeters cubic or cubic centimeters. If the number after the decimal was to be 5 or greater than 5, then we could have rounded it off to 1767. But it wasn't. It was 2, which is less than 5. So we assume the rest of the values after the decimal and remain with 1766 as our answer. That is formula and also the application of the formula for volume of a sphere. And I still urge you to continue following us. Please subscribe to Prepsaret YouTube channel and keep on following us. Goodbye. See you in our next engagement.